You guys notice this not too great of an example of a Porsche shield? We're gonna swap it out and put the real deal. What do you guys think of that? Which one do you like, the silver or the original gold? I'm an original gold fan, so let's go ahead and swap this thing out. This is what it's supposed to look like, guys. Check it out. You know, you got the original, and then you have this kind of aftermarket deal. It is weighted heavy, so it is metal, but look at it. It fell apart. It is genuine Porsche, but that's what we had the problem with there. Look at that. And they threw that in there just so it wouldn't move around. So let's go ahead and make this right.